Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I greet you all according to your time. If it is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate you for your massive support. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos, and that's a huge support to this channel. My dear viewers, this is a news channel and we drop news on daily basis, and we also react to any videos that comes our way. Let's watch this video together. Drop your opinion at the comment section, like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
IPOB, one biggest family. One biggest family, IPOB. Good morning, Biafra all over the world. Good afternoon, Biafra all over the world. Good evening, Biafra all over the world. Depending where you are residing. I greet the lover of freedom worldwide. First, I want to use this opportunity and this hour to pray for our able leader, Martin Atikano, or Hamadika Waburuburu, Onye Biafra Nad, Agadagiti, a man who see tomorrow, a man who rejected bribe, a man who stand by his people. I say, Mechuko Keke Abiyama. Continue to guide you and protect you, Martin Atikano. Yes. Let me quickly use my language to pray for our able leader, Martin Atikano. Oselo Buano Yotono Yokun. Edeno Wena. O Venus Obuaji Ena. O Nwe no Sobuani. O Kino Sobuaji. O Dame no Sobuaji. Ason no Sobuaji. Mena. Re little one lay canona di o query bubble tagbon or query bubble tagbona no azinadi mazinadi cano agmokbo because also banakeri odomi ibioefa also nadi canona Joshua of our time mazinadi canona Moses of our time zoo or queer zoo oko nehonese canona di popo oyina raya wugbo azen akpokpo ya bugba egeni ihe mekore Muhammad ukokwa moto edo so gba no yoto no yokunta ise Chineke. Let me quickly pray for our able men Isien. I say Mechuko Keke Abiyama. Continue to guide Isien and protect Isien from them to volunteer themselves, protect Biafra land. Also, I want to also pray for our local government that Jehovah sent come from heaven to come and deal with those evil men that in Biafra land. Yes, Zoo, get ready. Before 26 Zoo, if you don't release Canonati, what is coming to you? Sorry for you, Zoo. You see that secret that be hidden is going to burst out. Boom. That is bomb. Time bomb. When it bursts out, sorry for Zoo. You see Sumani, it will be better than Zoo. Release Canonati now. Zoo. Release Canonati now. Mask wearer. Release Canonati now. Garuba Sheu, release Canonati now. La Mohammed, release Canonati now. The Kaaba, the Efulefu, release Canonati now. Because what is coming for you, you don't have that idea. You don't have that idea. I can assure you that. You don't have that idea. What is coming to you, the next threat that is coming to you, you can't get that idea. Release Canonati now. No feel that we IPOP just quiet, just like that. No, we follow the instruction of our leader. Release Mazina the Canon now. The eye of the world, release it now. The eye of Biafra Nad, release it now. We don't say full talk here and there, we don't even mind it. But what we are saying now, release Mazina the Canon now. Before it's too late. When water pass Gary, get us a bill. Be careful. You can see that we are resuming work. We are resuming. Before it's too late, before the 26th, we are telling the zoo, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. We are telling the whole world, British, release Kanu Nnamdi now. Before it's too late. You see that time bomb, eh? Chai. By the time it busts out, chai. You cannot believe it. You see that timing bomb when it explodes, you will never have that idea. So be careful what you are playing with. Wike, be careful what you are playing with. Hope also do job. Be careful what you are playing with. Okay, Zoo, be careful. Devil Mahi, be careful. George Obiozo, be careful. Willie Obiano, be careful. If I will buy, be careful. Soludo, be careful. All of them, when they on the ground, they walk about later. May all of them be careful. Where did they come for? Una no get the idea. Una no understand. Something is about to happen. If he pass on before the 26th, if you guys not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, after the 26th, watch and see what is going to happen. The zoo will catch fire. Zoo call Nigeria terrorist country will burn down. Where's the mask wearer, nowhere to be found, will burn down. Be careful. God bless the Olo government that Jehovah Breakin from heaven to come and protect Biafra land. God bless ECN that volunteered themselves for protecting Biafra land. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless IPOB members all over the world, worldwide. God bless Ifeanyi Ejiofor, Biafra barrister. Any man, any woman who might try to assassinate our able barrister, Ejiofor, I say this ground will open, we swallow them by fire, by thunder, in the powerful name of Yahweh Yeshua. He said, oh hey Biafra, oh hey Biafra, oh hey.
Citizen cannot be adopted in another country and taken to a country that doesn't belong to. British Council in Nigeria should step up and see that nothing is done to him, and he has to be released unconditionally, immediately.
I can accept that, and I will make sure that she's...
And we will need you to do, yes, to acknowledge the receipt.
You know what, unfortunately I can't sign anything.
If you can you get somebody who can accept the
What if I initial?
On the British Embassy now, they are giving them to sign the letter. They're signing the letter. They're signing the letter. They're signing the petition. They're signing the petition. Yes.
And you guys have evidence of me.
They want to sign the. They want to sign the paper.
So this this copy is for you, I guess.
They sign the paper. They got the message.
Thank you. And then I will make sure that this.
They send it to. Promise they're gonna send it to the Prime Minister.
You're
Prime
welcome.
Minister Prime Minister of London. Prime Minister of England.
And remember,
I understand. He is a British citizen.
and you can't leave him there.
Well, we'll make sure that the High Commissioner sees this.
Do something appropriate. That's what we're demanding.
That he released unconditionally.
Unconditionally and immediately.
Immediately.
I understand. I can pass the message. That's what I
Exactly what we're doing, yes.